Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Google Sheets app not working. So first, completely close the Google Sheets app and reopen it. So swipe it up and swipe it away and reopen it and see if that works. So in most phones, you can swipe it away from your recent apps and launch it again and see if that works. If that doesn't help, you can restart your device. So a simple reboot can resolve temporary software glitches. Next, go to settings, then click Wi-Fi and make sure your internet connection is stable. You can switch between Wi Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is related to your network. Next, again, open Wi Fi and go to General, then go to Software Update. Then check if your phone's operating system is up to date. So install the latest system update. That alone can fix compatibility issues. So click Update now to update its latest version. Then once done, open Google Sheets again and see if that works. Next, make sure your device has enough available storage. So low storage space can prevent apps from working properly. Next, again, go to your settings, then scroll down and go to general, then go to iPhone storage. Now in here, scroll down and look for Google Sheet, or you can search it. Now in here, search for Google Sheet and open it. Now in here, you can click Offload App. So this will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. So once done, just click Reinstall App to place back your data. Then go back to Google Sheet and see if that solves the problem. And that's it. Thank you for watching.